So we had this area here. It had rotted out because of the roof being compromised. So I rebuilt all that. And then I made this panel to go up in with 4 screws so it can come down so I can see if there's something going on up there. If we do get a leak, hopefully we do not. And now Amy's going to prime and paint it. So I also put these moldings on here too. So this is going to really not finish off maybe, but really put a finishing touch to the ceiling. So this is a few hours worth of work here. It doesn't look like it, but it is. But really happy the birds can't get in there anymore, and it rained really hard and we did not get any water coming down through, so very good sign. Okay, let's get back to our other roof project.